DIY enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your space with a stunning ceramic tile floor? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to prepare your vinyl floor for ceramic tiles. Whether you're upgrading your bathroom, kitchen, or any other room, proper preparation is key to ensuring a smooth and long-lasting tile installation. Here is a complete guide that you can follow for the preparation of your vinyl floor for a tile installation. Now, let's have a look at these steps. 1. Material you will need. Before you start preparing your subfloor, vinyl floor, for the installation of ceramic tiles, it is important to get yourself ready with all the required materials. For the preparation of subflooring, you will need safety goggles, a vacuum cleaner, gloves, a broom, a pry bar, and a sander. 2. Clear out the area properly. You will need to clear out the area so that you can do all the preparations properly. Start by moving out all the furniture items, rugs, carpets, or any other obstacles from the space for a smooth cleaning process. Now, carefully remove the baseboards with the help of a pry bar. Do not forget to wear your safety goggles and gloves while removing all the stuff and clearing out the area. 3. Inspect and repair the vinyl floor. Now it is time to inspect the vinyl flooring thoroughly to see if there are any damaged areas. If you notice any loose or damaged planks or tiles or an uneven surface, then it is crucial to first fix all those issues before moving forward. Replace all those planks or tiles that cannot be repaired. You can use a suitable filter to fill all the gaps and cracks if there are any. Make sure that your entire vinyl floor is even and smooth before proceeding to the next steps. 4. Deep clean the flooring. If you notice any uneven surface area, you can use a sander or sandpaper to make that area even and smooth. You can use a vacuum cleaner according to your ease for the proper cleaning of the subfloor. Use a damp cloth or a mop along with a suitable cleaner for detailed cleaning. 5. Apply a primer on the subfloor. The application of a primer on your subfloor depends on the adhesive that you are going to use for the installation of ceramic tiles. For this step, you can also consult a professional and discuss all the details to take their advice. 6. Install ceramic tiles. Now your vinyl floor is completely prepared for the installation of ceramic tiles. Before jumping straight to any installation step, you should measure the area and plan a layout so that you can easily carry out the entire process. By following this ultimate guide for the preparation of your vinyl subfloor, you will achieve the ideal base for your new tile flooring. These steps are easy and simple to follow, thus you can save both time and money.